Hey guys, Cunning here. Welcome to another video. And sorry I didn't post a video yesterday. It's because I've been working on this awesome Five Nights at Freddy's map in Minecraft. Yes, that's right. I made that. And it's hilarious. New content. Hey, let's see what it is. Whoa, this is awesome. Yeah. Rockstar North. Online heists! Dudes! Are you guys serious? Dudes! That is awesome! I'm gonna have to make a video of that. I'm running, oh my god, that is awesome. Ooh, and it's for Xbox 360. Yes! Dude! It says it's for Xbox 360 also. Guys, that's awesome. I'll have to download that. But anyways, back to the video. Dude, I can't get over how cool that is. They said they were going to add it, but I didn't know they were actually going to add it. Because they never added in the freaking jetpack, and I have pajamas on. Creeper face. Yes, I got 2 creeper shirts. This one that I have on right now, it glows in the dark. So that's pretty cool. Oop, everything's backwards for you. Who cares? Alright, anyways. Yeah, everything's backwards. Oh, that's weird. Alright, so anyways, if you can't hear me very good, then that's your fault. No, I'm kidding. FNAF 2, I named it wrong, but I know I don't be stupid. I know I can rename it. But, this is awesome. I think this is cool. Anyways, this is the outside. Oop. I'm gonna get a speed put. Actually, hold on. There. Sorry, I had this. I killed a bunch of mobs because I had it on hard mode. Accidentally. Don't worry about the outside. But anyways, like under this is a bunch of redstone. You'll see what that is in a sec. And I'll just throw that out. But this is what it is. Don't worry about the outside, okay? It looks like it looks like a ray gun, actually. Dude, I made a ray gun. And a Five Nights at Freddy's map. Don't worry about that. I'm trying to kill a slime with a sword, and it didn't work out. So these are the front doors. This is also based off the Gmod map. I mean, it's not the best, but anyways. Here's the front counter, where you first walk in. And here's the main room. And I just realized I forgot to add chairs and crap. But anyways, here's the animatronics. Alright, so that's Bonnie, and the ink is kind of falling off there. How's that possible? And here's Freddy, the worst looking out of all of them. And Chica. Now, you're probably wondering, these two have the same faces. No, they don't. This one has a mustache, I guess. And guys, you freaking think that we only have 3? No. I decided to put in Foxy. Look at that face. Anyways, I even added the hook. It wouldn't go the other way, so there we go. Hook. I got the kitchen. Well, it's kind of dark in there for now. And I think you guys know what these are, always. And you might be thinking, hey, the lights are on. This isn't Five Nights at Freddy's. Well, that's exactly what I did. And it goes dark. And it's kind of glitching out, but you know what? Just here, one sec. Let me fix this. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the bathrooms. Here's the bathrooms. Nothing much. Same thing over here. So, yeah, it's kind of right over there. So let's play. And this is a 2-player map only. And as you can see, all these work. I'm going to leave this shut for now because I feel unsafe in here. And you see this right here, that's the fan. And the lights actually work. So I'm going to open up these. I feel so unsafe in there. I'm just going to turn the power back on. Oh, there we go. What? Oh yeah, and I forgot. Isn't there Freddy heads in here? I think there's only Bonnie and Chica heads. But I decided, I'm too lazy to put faces on these, but you know what I mean. And that's basically the map. I think I did an okay job, and I happen to be right next to a town. And so it's the freaking ray gun. So I'm just going to leave it on this picture. On this. The ray gun. The ray gun, Five Nights at Freddy's map. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it took me a long time to build this, surprisingly. And I'm going to go through all the details for you. And there is a secret to this map, but I'll be showing that in another video. It'll be like Five Nights at Freddy's map secret, and has to do with right here. But no spoilers. It'll be for another time. Let's punch the sheep, and yes, that's basically what this is. I mean, I did a lot of redstone work. Like under like all of this is freaking redstone, and more redstone, and more redstone, and more. Just to make the map work. And anyways, I said this was a 2-player map. Or it could be like any player map, actually. It just can't be, it wouldn't be fun if it was more than 4 players. Anyways, the host goes invisible. Or I think it can do that with host privileges. But the host goes invisible and then can break the animatronics on stage and move them around. Like, you can break Bonnie, put them in here, like right here. Then we'll have like another person that's playing. There could be like 2 people. One can go down the hall and check, because you can't place cams, only with mods. And then like check on Foxy. You can move Foxy. That would be kind of hard because Foxy's huge. I think I might just do the 2-block thing like I did over there. Shut up, Diamond. Or you can like place Chica in the bathroom back here, or Freddy in the bathroom over there, or even Freddy back here. But Bonnie could be Bonnie can be right there. Chica could be there, and it'll be all good. But that's basically what you can do with 1 to 4 players. But 1 player, they don't move. There's a video of how to make them move, but I didn't watch it. But anyways, this is a ray gun. I'm going to put it upside down for you and see if it... No, it doesn't. What? Ooh, okay, well, I hope you guys like the map, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like and a comment down below. I love the support, and can't see my eyes. Yeah, I have eyes. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Like the video, comment saying if you want more of this map buildings stuff, and comment down below if you want to see the secret of this map, because the secret's really good. You may be thinking, hey, you left out one animatronic. That's not really an animatronic at all. It's one of the Freddys. Okay, it's Freddy's. AKA Golden Bear or Golden Freddy. But that'll be in another video. Crap. Spoiler alert. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, 1 second.